To get free Perplexity AI tools for 1 year, follow the steps carefully. First, open Play Store and search for Airtel Thanks app. And install it. Click on Open and sign in with your Airtel mobile number. Then scroll down and click on Claims, OTS and more. You can see Perplexity is there for 12 months and click on Claim Now to activate it. Then click on Process Now. It will redirect to activation page and click on Continue. Then sign up with your email ID which you want to add in this for activation. They will send their activation code to your mail. Then click on Sign In, or you can copy or and paste the code. You can install on the app or click on Continue with browser. You can see the Pro version of Perplexity is activated. I will show you the demo to generate a subscribe button and interfaces like ChatGPT. It will take time to generate the image. Image have generated, and if you find this video informative, then click on subscribe button.